Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga pinsan. Welcome back to Mad Corner. And on this episode, medyo kakaiba yung mangyayari dito dahil pupunta tayo sa isang special event. Quicks, isa sa mga paboritong local artist natin dito sa Pilipinas, ay mayroong collaboration with Johnny Walker. By the way, if hindi nyo kilala kung sino si Quicks, meron akong several episodes about him and his collection. I will put the link down below sa description box, so go check it out. So dun sa event, they are going to reveal kung ano yung collaboration nila. Pero on top of that, meron silang i-release na art toy. Hindi to basta-basta ha, kasi 63 pieces nga lang, tapos Megatech size to. So that means around 13 inches yun. Hopefully, isa ako sa mga maswerteng makakapag-uwi nito. May auction din pala na mangyayari. Ipapasubasta nila yung one-of-one na gawa ni Quicks na special for that event. So excited ako malaman and curious din ako kung magkano yung aabutin doon. By the way, mga pinsan, mangyayari tong event na to sa Secret Fresh. If hindi kayo familiar kung ano yung lugar na yon, matatagpuan yon sa San Juan, sa Ronac Art Theater. Para sa akin, Secret Fresh is the main hub for contemporary art, lifestyle, design, anything about that circle. Doon yung makikita yung mga magagandang gawain. Dagdag mo na din to, pinsan. Ang Secret Fresh ay pagmamay-ari ng nag-iisang bukod tangi na si DJ Big Boy Cheng. Now, if you are living under the rock and you have no idea kung sino si DJ Big Boy Cheng, i-google nyo na lang or YouTube nyo kung sino siya, and definitely, for sure, ma-amaze kayo sa kanyang collection. Huwag na natin patagalin to, pinsan. If you're interested, stay tuned! So yun na nga mga pinsan, nakita nyo naman sa loob tsaka sa labas dito sa Secret Fresh, and unfortunately, hindi ako umabot dun sa 15 na items. Hindi ko kasi alam na dun lang pala siya nabibilhin, dyan sa counter na yan. So naghintay-hintay pa ako sa labas kanina. Unfortunately yun, hindi ko naabutan. So ang ganap natin ngayon, isa-asa na lang tayo online. Sana tayo yung manalo sa mga raffle para makabili ng isa sa mga yun. Wala na tayo mabibili. Punta na tayo sa loob, sulitin natin itong event.
Thank you everyone for coming. It's really a special occasion for us, and I'm glad you're all here. So thank you. We formulated a new colorway that we called Keep Grinding. This is the Dragon, the Manila Killa, and the OG Blue. And then we made a special one just for Johnny Walker.
Set of 4, number 8, hand embellished by Quicks. We'll start the bidding at 1,000. Do I have any takers at 1,000, please? 1,500 over here, please. 2,500 over here. 5K over here. 8,000. 10K. 12K over here. Set of 20K for the set of bottles. Guys, this is for charity, so please keep going. 30. 40K over there. 50K for the set of 4 bottles, number 8. Set number 8. 55K for someone on that. 60K over there, thank you. 60K.
Grab it, guys. Don't forget, it's for charity. Great causes.
100K. 100K over there, now bottle number 8. Thank you very much, ma'am. 110,000 for the set of 4 bottles, number 8. 20K for the set of 4 bottles, set number 8 to 500. Number 8.
May sumigaw.
150.
Oh!
150K going twice sold to the gentleman.
Alright, we have a winner for 150,000 pesos. Congratulations.
Okay, so yung unang bottle,
100 over here, thank you, sir.
the first bottle set was sold for 150K. 150K, guys.
125K going once. 125K going twice. Last call, 125K for the set of 4 bottles, number 6. Set number 63. Going twice sold. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
This custom kind of represents my journey through toy design. All the 10 years that the Texas Toy evolved is represented through this toy. So it's quite special for
150K over here. 150K. 200K over there for the one-of-one custom toy by Quicks X Johnny Walker. 210. 210 over here. 210,000 for the one-of-one. 220 over here. 220K. 230K. 250K, Mr. B-Boy Chen. Working Panda. 250K for the one-of-one set, Johnny Walker X. Hindi na mayari ulit to, guys. 250K going twice. 255. 255K over here. So 250,000 pesos going once. 55, sorry. 255,000 pesos going once. 255,000 going twice. 255,000 sold.
Thanks to my Johnny Walker Blue family, Johnny Walker family. Cineverse is proud supporter of the newest Johnny Walker Artist series featuring the designs of Quicks.
So, ayun na nga guys. So, tapos na yung event. And unfortunately, uuwi tayong walang nabili. So, kukwento ko na lang yung event. Yun mga pinsan. So, di ba, ang bilis lang, nakauwi na tayo. So, hindi ko alam na charity pala siya. So, yung pumili ng mga charity na pupuntahan ng lahat ng proceeds would be DJ Big Boy Cheng tsaka si Quicks himself. So, yung napili nila is the Eurotex Foundation. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. That was picked by DJ Big Boy Cheng, of course. And then, si Quicks, pinili niya is the PGH Cancer Patients. So, yung collaboration nila by Johnny Walker Blue Label, meron siyang 500 sets. Okay? 500 sets ng 4 bottles. So, yung isang set of 4 bottles na number 8 out of 500 was auctioned for
150,000 pesos. Congratulations.
And then, yung second naman would be the number 63. That is very relevant sa Quicks or the Bullet Punk Network, di ba? So, number 63 out of 500 na set of 4 na bottles was auctioned for 125K. So, ang laking pera. And then, the main event would be the one-of-one Quicks toy na ginawa to commemorate the event ng collaboration between Johnny Walker and Quicks. So, yung toy na yon, the winning bid was 255K. Yes, sobrang laking pera for this event or for that toy. Pero still, it's a collector's item, one-of-one. Nag-iisang bukod tangi lang around the world. And you saw a while ago, yung guy sa harap ko, siya yung nag-bid nun. So, that's crazy. At ang pinakamalala lang nangyari is pumunta nga tayo doon. Medyo maaga tayo. And hindi ko alam kung saan bibili. So, nagtanong ako, tapos may nagturo na guard sa akin. Sabi, doon. So, pumunta lang ako. And then, I was patiently waiting there. So, naghintay lang ako sa labas until nakita ko si Carlo ng team ni Quicks. So, tinanong ko siya, saan po ba bumibili talaga? Or saan ba yung pila? And then, tinuro niya yung counter. So, pumunta agad ako doon. Agad-agad. Kasi alam ko, 15 pieces lang yung i-release nila during the event. Pero all in all, there are only 63 pieces nung limited edition na yon. So, 15 pieces, nandun lang sa event na yon. Pumunta ako sa counter. Unfortunately, may nauna sa akin na isang tito, isang guy. And then, yun na pala yung last piece. So, at the end, ako yung walang nakuha, walang nabili. So, ayun, sayang. But overall, I still enjoyed the event. So, big shout out and big congratulations to the team of Quicks and Johnny Walker for that amazing experience at Secret Fresh. So, thank you guys. Anyway, ayun, yun lang yung nangyari. That's it for me, mga pinsan. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo yung panonood. And I'll see you again on our next week's episode. Mad Corner, I'm out! Tara, check natin. Baka dumating na. Sana dumating na. Uy! Uy! Dito na. Oh, shit. Dumating na. Sobrang fit ng part na to para i-add natin sa episode ni Quicks kasi nga, #keep grinding, di ba? Keep grinding dahil dumating na ang Google AdSense natin. So, ano ba yung Google AdSense PIN na to? This means, na-break na natin yung minimum required revenue threshold ng YouTube. Ayun nga mga pinsan, #keep grinding nga, di ba? Sabi nga ni Quicks with the collaboration with Johnny Walker. So, yun nga, after months of grinding itong YouTube channel natin, yun, nagkaroon tayo ng small win and small progress as well. Just to give you a background, ginawa ko yung YouTube channel years ago, pero sineryoso ko siya last August of 2022 and then nagkaroon tayo ng chance para ma-monetize late November or early December of 2022. And now, yes, March of 2023, natanggap na natin yung Google AdSense natin all because of your support. Ayun mga pinsan, ayoko na maging over-dramatic dito pero sobrang thankful ako sa inyo lahat for helping me on this journey. So, Mad Corner, seriously, I'm out and I'll see you again in the next episode.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though.